We're heading to Eduard's house because his truck is not turning on, and we're gonna go see what's wrong with it. So stay tuned. All right, so we're at Eduard's house now, messing with the black Silverado. Oh wait, Jonathan's calling me. All right, so we were talking to Jonathan, trying to figure out what was wrong. Like I said, the truck doesn't start. I'll show you the clip in a bit. But we have fuel pressure. We can hear the fuel pump. So we're gonna put brake fluid in here, see what it does, and we'll go from there. Okay. Wait, press the throttle. No. Golly, that's loud. Oh, man. Ah. ¿Está morida? La choriza. Ah. Are you on the gas? So maybe fuel pump then? Alright, we'll put a little bit more gas and then take the body. Oh. Huh.
My security light flashes.
But does it always flash?
No.
You think it's for maybe attempting it so much? Mega weird. Hey. All right, trial number 3. Let's see what it does. Ooh. Ahí está tu vecino. Did it have low voltage?
That's way. I saw him run that way.
He's just. Ah.
Apaga la funda.
What the show? Is that you holding the gas too?
No. Okay.